Welcome to Tackle Trading's Onboarding. This is Coach Matt. Let's get right into it. The purpose of this video is to help you understand the pro membership of Tackle Trading that you can get the most out of your subscription at Tackle Trading. Tackle Trading is dedicated to a singular, powerful mission to empower the masses with financial education. And the reality is, in our pro membership, it is chock full of both educational products, educational concepts, as well as application, because at the end of the day, that's what we believe in at Tackle Trading is education plus application is the key to success. And I'm going to walk you through that in this onboarding program. But before we do so, I just want to give a special welcome to the new pro members of Tackle Trading. Thank you for joining the #1 rated trading educational platform. And we are looking forward to working with you to meet your goals in a timely fashion. And what you're going to focus on in this specific video is to understand the pro membership, understand how to navigate the website, get access to certain things, and then obviously to understand the overall Tackle weekly schedule as well. Now, your pro membership is vast. There's a lot of different bells and whistles. I'm going to take a moment to explain those right now. The first thing I want to talk about is the weekly reports that we deliver every single Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that's the Tackle Trading newsletter, as well as the Traders Report itself. These are the two core reports we put out there on a week in, week out basis. Now, when you go to the Tackle Trading website, it's very easy to find those reports. As you can see on the menu button after you log in, you just go over to Reports, Tackle Newsletter, Tackle Report, and you can get access to the latest report out there. Now, in the Tackle Trading newsletter specifically, there are 5 sections in the newsletter that we put out each week, and there are 3 videos that go with the newsletter as well. The first topic is always going to be a technical analysis update of what is occurring in the markets this week so that you can be prepared for what is happening at the index level, and that's the first section. The second is always going to be an earnings update, what companies were providing earnings that week, which ones were the best earnings reports, which ones were the worst earnings report, and then obviously a look forward into what is coming down the pike as well. The third section is always going to be our rankings. We rank every aspect of the market every single week from a overall technical and a fundamental perspective, which are the best sectors out there, which are the worst sectors out there, what's the S&P 500 itself doing as well. We put out those rankings. There's a video to explain it as well. The next section is the economic update. And then the final section of the newsletter is always going to be a video and a write-up regarding the global markets, which are your 24-hour markets of gold, silver, oil, Bitcoin, and currency as well. Now, that is the Tackle newsletter itself. The second report is the Traders Report. And the Traders Report is a really, really popular report at Tackle Trading for a couple different reasons, and not just the videos to break down the watch list candidates, but also the option strategy video that Coach Greg does every single week to give you a little bit of an understanding of the strategy of the week. And then you have the watch list that we put out each week as well, the best technical setups going into this week. AAP, for example, nice little breakout today. COHR waiting on a breakout. These are all watch lists that we develop each week, and then you get the coaches' picks themselves in the rapid fire video, and we prep targets, entries, stop losses on the Traders Report itself as well. So those are the types of reports that you get as a pro member of Tackle Trading, and every single week they're delivered at 7 p.m. on Friday so that you can consume and get ready for the week that's coming at us over the weekend as well. The next thing we want to talk about is the shows itself. There are 3 of them. We do the Traders Lounge every single day, Monday through Thursday, and then the 2 nightly shows that we do from an educational perspective are the Coaches Show on Tuesday night, as well as the Cash Flow Club on Thursday for you theta traders. that want to focus on generating cash flow in the market. We also have courses I'll talk about here in just a moment, some educational courses. You also have access to Master Trader as well. We put out written blogs for our pro member community, and you can also get access to the archive of all the blogs we have put out there. And then tools for traders. You have the Traders Playbook, which gives you access to all the rules for every option strategy out there. You get access to 3 different trading journals and then 2 core watch lists we put out all the time. The Tackle 25 covered call watch list, which is the best 25 stocks for covered calls, and then the AI Gold Rush watch list, which is the best 25 AI stocks for growth in the market as well. And then last and certainly not least, you get access to the Tackle Trading Discord channel as well, so that you can communicate and get help when you need them itself. Now, let's talk a little bit about that pro membership so you can understand it a little bit more. We believe in something at Tackle. The motto of Tackle is learn, trade, connect, succeed. And so you have access and products available to help you do all 3 of those things in the pro membership. Number one, Tackle Trading's core is learning. We are educators. We teach people how to navigate the financial world, to trade, to invest, to do everything we need to do to be successful traders and investors. And as such, you get access to an amazing course, a live course in Master Trader that we teach once a month for our pro member community. And you can join and get access to that course as long as you are a pro member. You can attend once, twice, every single month, you name it. You also get access to 5 different on-demands that you can go through at your own pace, called the Tackle Trading 101s. We already talked about the shows, the blogs. When you're looking at the trade aspect of it, it's really about those scatter reports, the Traders Report, the Tackle newsletter, and then you also have some tools for traders to help you do that as well that we've already discussed. And then on the Connect side, we believe in community, and we connect through Discord with our community, the traders lounges, different mastermind groups. But one thing about the Connect that is really, really great at Tackle Trading is in the traders lounge every single day, we do a segment that lasts for about 30 to 45 minutes called Team Time. And Team Time is a moment where you can ask any question you want, get any help you need. If you're in a trade, you need some help. If you're looking at a technical situation and you need to get a second set of eyes to help you understand what you're seeing. If you're in a cash flow strategy and you need to discuss how to roll up and out, whatever the case is, it's called Team Time. We're there for each other, and the coaches are there to help you navigate that in Team Time every single day. And so when we talk about connecting, it's connecting with the entire community, because we are here to help each other navigate the financial world as well. Let's talk a little bit about the weekly schedule so that you can understand it. Number one, we do a lot of live things every single week, but we also do a lot of on demand so that you can do things at your own pace as well. The first thing that we want to really kind of understand is the Traders Lounge. That is the live daily program that we navigate the financial world together. We break down the market indexes, the sectors, we talk about the commodities, and then obviously stocks in the news that day, any major information that's coming into the market or economic reports, you name it, we cover in the Traders Lounge. And then at the end of the lounge, we go into Team Time, where you can get access to ask any question you need. Now, the second thing is the Coaches Show. That's on Tuesdays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The third thing is the Cash Flow Club. That's on Thursdays at 8:30 p.m. Then you have the mastermind groups, which we do about once a week for one of our systems out there. And those are typically held on Mondays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But sometimes we will hold them on a Wednesday or even on a Sunday. Typically, though, they are held on Mondays at 8:30 p.m. And then you have the Traders Report and the Tackle Trading Newsletter, which are not live events, but we put them out at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, so that you have the entire weekend to review all those videos, the write-ups, look at the watch list, and get ready for the week that is coming at you, which is what we do in the newsletter and the Traders Report, is to help you prepare for that. Now, the last thing I want to talk about in the pro membership is the access to the Tackle 101 series. And the Tackle 101 series is a bunch of on-demands at your disposal to help you understand the basics of technical analysis, for example, in Technical Analysis 101, or learning the basics of trading options in Options 101. The same thing with Futures 101, Forex 101, and then an awesome course called System Development, which in that series is going to teach you how to build your own successful trading system to help you understand who you are as a trader, not just who other people are as traders as well. And so we go through a tremendous amount in those 101s. You can take them as much as you want. As I said, they are on demand. And at Tackle Trading, at any point that you need to talk to one of the tackle trading coaches for any of your needs from an application perspective, an educational perspective, you can always schedule a consultation with one of the tackle trading coaches at tackletrading.com/schedule-consultation as well. And what I really hope this video did is help you understand your pro membership, number one, and as important, the weekly schedule, so that you can start attending those courses and be a little bit of a fly on the wall at first. But the number one thing, I want to give you some advice: participate, ask questions, engage. The coaches of Tackle Trading are there to help you. To help you, we need to understand how we can help you. So at any point you need any one of us, you can hit us up at team@tackletrading.com. You can come into the Discord channel as well. We have a variety of different social media channels, but at the end of the day, best way to get in touch with us is team@tackletrading.com for all of your tackle trading needs. And I hope this video once again helped you understand your pro membership and the weekly schedule at Tackle Trading as well.